I'm Damien from Packserv, and today we have the benchtop ROPP capper, also known as a roll-on pilfer-proof capper. So this machine is great. It's nice and portable, so you can take it anywhere you need to do your capping. Runs off both compressed air and electricity, so you need a compressor, or we can supply one. So today this machine is set up for a wine bottle, but you can also set it up to cap kombucha bottles, essentially glass bottles with the roll-on aluminium caps. So on the right-hand side of the machine we have our air isolation valve and pressure gauge, and above it the dwell timer, which controls the length of time that the head spins. Round on the left-hand side is our on-off switch, so that controls whether the motor will spin or not. Setting up the ROPP can be quite a challenge, but I'm here to step you through a few of the basics. First thing we want to do is take the cover off the front, protective cover. This is there for a reason, so once we've got that off, we're going to want to put our glasses on. So once we've got the cover off, we can access the head of the capping unit. Make sure that you have no air or power running to it. Be careful. And we can set up the pedestal. So this just relates over on the side here to the corresponding height of the bottle, and also the locator in here to hold it in place to get capped. On the head of the unit we've got quite a few adjustments that can be made. First, you can start by unscrewing these two screws, which allows the cage to come off, and you can get better access to the fingers, of which there are two for actually cutting the capping thread, and two for cutting the pilfer-proof thread. Thanks for watching my introduction to setting up the ROPP capper. If you'd like any more information, give one of the techs at Packserv a call.